All right, kiddo. Just a quick little outro today. We're going to try this Wagyu from Japan, A5 Wagyu. I haven't tried it yet. I want the sous chef to take first dib. So go ahead, little girl. What do you think?
You get the flavor right as you put it in your mouth, and it's so soft.
It's like melts in your mouth. This is, so just so you know, this is the most expensive steak I have ever purchased. Pretty good. I will say this. When you put something on a pedestal and it's not the life-changing experience that you expect it to be. I'm not sure why I would expect it to be a life-changing experience. You're let down. This is an amazing steak. Was it worth the money? That's in the eye of the taster. I was going to say eye of the beholder, but I changed my mind. Eye of the taster. It's delicious. I'm happy I got it. Not sure if it's worth that much. It is from Grand Western. I think that's right. GrandWestern.com. The steak company. I'll put a link in the description. Not sponsored at all. Cannot wait to eat the rest of this thing here. Thanks for watching. Keep
barbecuing America.
Exactly. Cheers.